You want to make someone's special day extra special? This year, don't just sing them happy birthday. Why not play for them happy birthday? Trust me, it will make all their dreams come true. Okay, let's get started. By the way, this is my super easy version of Happy Birthday, designed for beginners. Even if you've never played piano before, by the end of this video, you'll know how to play Happy Birthday. If you're looking for something more challenging, please check out my early intermediate level tutorial. All right, for this song, you'll need to know your finger numbers, but it's super easy. Both hands, finger 1 is your thumb, and then it just goes out from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find the position for your right hand. Look for 2 black keys near the middle of your piano. The key just to the left is called C, and that's where we'll put your thumb, or finger 1, and then let all your fingers stay nice and relaxed, and each finger will find its own white key, all next door neighbors. Then your left hand finger 1 is also going to be a next door neighbor with the right hand. Notice how they're just right next to each other on these 3 keys. And in the left hand, you'll only need your fingers 1, 2, and 3. So find this position on your piano so you're ready to go. And then the first 4 notes of Happy Birthday are played by your left hand, starting with finger 3. And I'll sing the numbers to make it easy. 3, 3, 2, 3. Now you try. Now let's add in the words. Happy birthday. Now you try. And I encourage you to sing along while you play because that will help you get the notes and rhythms correct. Now we're ready for 2U. 2. Right hand finger 1 plays, then left hand finger 1 plays. 2U. Now your turn. Good, let's put it all together. Happy birthday to you. Now you try. Great, you can always pause if you need extra practice. Otherwise, let's keep going. Happy Birthday is the same that we just played. 3, 3, 2, 3. Now you try. Then, happy birthday. This time it's a little different. We come all the way up to right hand finger 2, to you. Now you try. So notice there's a slight change in this second phrase. The first phrase we had happy birthday, then we come up to finger 1, to you, then it steps down. We repeat that again, happy birthday. This time it comes all the way up to finger 2, to you. Similar, but different. Now, pause if you'd like a little extra practice on those 2 phrases. Otherwise, let's go on to the third happy birthday. Happy. Once again, we start with the finger 3, but then we jump all the way up to finger 5 of the right hand. Happy birthday. And then this in music is called a skip down. Notice we skipped over this note right here from G down to E. Happy birthday. Now you try. Good, let's keep going. Happy birthday. We skip down again, dear, and then step down, step down. When we step, we're just going to the nearest possible note. Happy birth, skip down, then step down, step down. And with words, we get happy birthday, dear someone. Now you try. Then, for the very last happy birthday to you, we come up to finger 4, happy birth, and then we step down, happy birth. Now you try. Good, and then we're going to skip down, happy birthday. Now you try. Good, and then to finish, we just go to you with finger 2 and then 1. You try. 2, you, go. Let's put that all together. Happy birthday to you. Or in finger numbers, we could say 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now you try. Now, let's hear the whole thing from the start. And by the way, from our website, you can get this sheet music for free. So you can watch at home, print this out, and then review it as many times as you need to really get confident with it. Let's hear the whole thing now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. That's the whole thing. Great job learning how to play Happy Birthday. Now, go forth and spread love and joy by playing this for anyone and everyone you know. On their birthday, of course. Thanks for watching. Have you ever wondered why people always sing the Happy Birthday song so slow? Huh? It's someone's birthday! You're about to eat cake! It should be Happy Birthday to you, cha-cha-cha! But instead it's always Happy birthday to you. It's depressing. Maybe deep down they're just sad it's not their birthday. But they still get to eat cake. Or sad that they don't get to be the one to blow out the candles. Oh, I always help a little with that anyway. You help blow out the candles? Just a little. I kind of secretly give a little extra blow, you know? You monster. Huh? Just kidding. But seriously, do not do that on my birthday. Okay, but then I'm gonna sing extra slow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to